We're going to learn to play Old MacDonald Had a Farm. Now, to do the tune to this, we're going to start with our middle finger on F. Now, normally our middle finger is on E, and we need to use our middle finger on F. A good way to remember here is that when we first started playing, we used to find C by using the rabbit ears. So rabbit ears, C, D, E. Now, to find F, F is by the set of 3 notes. So not the rabbit ears, the other ones, the 3s. So there's F right there. Now it's 3 notes, and we're going to play them 3 times, and that's going to remind us to put our 3rd finger there on F. And that's the beginning of Old MacDonald. Old MacDonald. Now we're going to do away with these, we don't need these anymore, so we'll do them one last time. There it goes. Old MacDonald. Now you're going to go down to C. Now at the moment your thumb's by D, but you stretch it down 1 note, and then you go up a note and back down. Do you recognise that? So I went back to the F. 1, 2, 3, down to C, 2 Ds and back to C. And there it is. Old MacDonald had a farm. 3, 3, 3, 1, 2, 2, 1. F, 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 C, D, D, C. And then we need the E-I-E-I-O, which is up here. You're going to need to stretch up a little bit to get A. 2 A's, 2 G's, and you should end up back where you started with your middle finger on F. Let me show you that whole thing. So the 3 notes help you find the 3rd finger onto F there. So it goes F, 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 C, up to D, 2 of them, and back down to C. Stretch up to A, and then you repeat it. The little finger, and then for the middle section, with a oink oink here, or whatever animal you're going to have, keep that same finger, but use next to it your 2nd finger on E. So look, we've got the 2 white notes between the 3 and the 2, those there. And it goes with a, if it's a pig, with an oink oink here, oink oink there, everywhere, and oink oink oink. And then we play the tune again. Old MacDonald had a farm. Little finger on A. E-I-E-I-O. So let's put that all together. So there's our F. So I'm going to use a duck. Okay, so here's the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Old MacDonald had a farm. Little finger up on A. E-I-E-I-O. Same note. On that farm, down to C, he had a duck. Little finger on A. E-I-E-I-O. Now bring in your 2nd finger as well with an, what do ducks do? They quack. Quack, quack here. Quack, quack there. Everywhere a quack, quack, quack. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And we do the same thing with the left hand. So you start with your middle finger on F, 3 back notes, there it is. So it's Old MacDonald, down to your little finger on C, up a note and down. Thumb on the A. Same notes again. Leave the quack quack bits out because there's something different that we're going to do with that. So let's try it hands together. So it goes like this. You can try it hands together. Now, for here, I just want you to try playing these in the same place. Quack, quack. Here, then swap to your left hand, then swap back to your right hand, 4 of them, everywhere, quack, 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 then back to the tune. actually going to do in the lesson is we're going to move up the piano. Now, we can't see all the different notes going up here, but basically you start with your right hand, then you're going to take your other hand over and play it an octave higher, but I'll put it in the same place. Then the other hand takes it over again, 3, and then that. Now, what I'm doing there, you can do that, but going up the piano. See if you can hear it. So let's start there. Now my hand's coming over. Can you hear it? Higher. Then my other hand's going up higher. 2, and then my hand's crossing and going higher. Then we come back to the middle finger there, middle finger there. And on the play along video, I'll do it with it zoomed out so you can see how you cross your hands over the other way. So next video is the play along one. If you want to make it a tiny bit easier, just play the tune with the right hand. But when you get to the middle bit, with the crossing over, use the other hand for that. Okay, you'll see it when we do it.